Okay, so yeah, kind of like how Matthew was saying, this is a Pettis test kit. So it's to test the mite's resistance to different mite treatments and everything. So you've got this jar here for collecting the sample of bees. So it comes with a quarter cup here. They recommend either taking a quarter cup or 2 of them, so a half cup of bees, putting that in there. And so I brought a Apivar 2.0 strip that Matthew was talking about there. So like he was saying, you want to make sure you have a 4 centimeter sample there. So you cut that off the bottom, which I've already done. And then you hook it in there with the bobby pin. And then with your bees in here, put the lid on top, put that on to secure it there. And then you'd have this piece here. You want to rub it with Vaseline or something slippery on the side so that when the mites are in here, they can't crawl back out, and then that would mess up your sample there. But you would put this piece right on there. You leave it for about 6 hours, let the mites drop down in there. And then once you've done that, so let's say you do that, a few mites drop in there, you've got like 3 mites in there, for example. Then what you'd want to do is a mite wash. So this here comes with mite wash detergent. You can also do like your alcohol solution, kind of whatever you want to do there. You put this inside of there. You swish it around just like when you're doing a regular mite wash. And then the mites will fall out through there into the bottom. And let's say you've got 3 mites in there as well. Then you've got maybe only 50% efficacy coming from your mite treatment there. And then you've also got where is it here? The record sheet to kind of just mark down which hive it's from, what apiary it's from, your mite drops and everything. It's also good, you've got 3 different samples here, so like you could do a control method and then test 2 other miticides as well, see if there's different resistance in one colony, or see if your colony might be, you might have some hygienic bees in there already. And yeah, that's the Pettis test. Does anyone have any questions about it?